welcome back to my channel. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and share, and if you like what you see, continue watching and stay tuned for more. But make sure you subscribe. So this look I'm bringing you includes a poreless routine that I love to go by, but really this is a fall makeup look. Anyways, make sure you guys subscribe. Guys, okay, I do a fake British accent every time I start. So this is one of my favorite days because I'm hungry all the time. That's what I do. I eat. Even though I only weigh 105 pounds, I love to eat. And today is Thanksgiving. This video is not gonna come out on Thanksgiving, but maybe like you can watch it next year for inspiration, or you could just wear this look. But this is my Thanksgiving beat I'm about to give myself. I'm about to do something real simple, fall-y, because I'm into fall makeup, because clearly it's fall. Even though California doesn't necessarily have fall, it only has 2 seasons, wet and dry. I just learned that. So let's go. So for starters, like I always do, I moisturize my face, and I also sprayed it with a little bit of toner. The Shea Moisture Soothing and Toning Hydrating Mist. Shout out to Shea Moisture for sending me this, because I love applying this before I go to do my makeup. I just love, it's a new thing I like to do. I just like to add toner to my skin before I put all these products on it. Like, I'm just trying to really get into skincare because I feel like it's getting better. It's getting better. Like, this is me with no makeup, and I just feel like you can hardly see my pores, but they're there, trust me. So for starters, I'm going to prime my face as always, and today I'm going to use my Tarte Poreless Primer. I've been using this primer a lot lately because it's just been making my foundation lay flawlessly and smoothly. So this has been my go-to lately. So I'm just going to apply it onto my skin, basically like lotion. No real technique to it, just basically apply that like lotion. Okay, I forgot to put my earrings on, but I'm back. Anyways, so I already put primer on my face. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit of my setting powder. This is a new routine. This is the new thing that I do. Like, I just started doing this, and I love it. I can't lie. Like, I'm sticking to it. So I'm taking a little bit of my primer. This is that the Kat Von D translucent powder, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of this. It's real messy. It's not as messy as other ones that I have, but I'm gonna take a little bit of this, put this on my cheeks, or like my oily spots, or my porey spots. Either your your oily spots, you can apply this to. You can apply this to your oily spots or your pores. I like to put it on my pores and my oily spots, just so I can promise myself a flawless, full coverage routine. I added my translucent powder. I'm gonna go ahead and start to add my concealer and my contour. So I'm gonna use my Smashbox Studio Skin Primer. This is my favorite primer next to the LA Girl Primer. So if you're on the more high-end side and like spending them coins, get that Smashbox Primer. Well, I like it personally. And if you like the MAC concealer, like that type of consistency, this Smashbox concealer has that type of consistency. Like kind of thinner, not a thick creamy. It's like a waterproof anti-crease concealer. Oil free, which is good if you have oily skin. So if you have oily skin, this is a good primer for you. If you have oily skin. If you have dry skin, this primer might not be that great for you because it might be hard to blend out because your skin's so dry. I mean, it's still good at blending, of course, and it's still creamy and it still has a good texture to it. But it might be harder to blend out on skin that's kind of drier, and you might have to add a little bit of spray to it, or get you a creamy concealer, because creamy concealer is probably better for dry skin. And I'm going to take my stick foundation. Any dark shade foundation stick that you use is great. So I'm going to take my stick foundation. This is Bobbi Brown. I'm just going to draw my line for where I want my contour to be. Okay, so I had to add a little bit of lip gloss. My lips was ashy. Y'all didn't tell me. This was live. It was really cool. I should do Instagram live. So now I'm going to take my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte 24-hour foundation. I just used this in my previous video, but you seen that. I'm like, why did I stop using it? I love this. I'm running out. Again, this foundation I want to say is under $10. Maybe. I know it's under $20 for sure. I'm not 1,000% sure on the cost. If I can get some out. And it's kind of a medium coverage, as I stated in my previous video. It's definitely a medium type coverage, but if you keep applying, of course you can have buildable coverage. With some primer water. Smashbox primer water. Basically just blending out that. It takes forever, bro. Now I'm gonna set my concealer again. I'm gonna use this Kat Von D. For this video, I'm using it's my Ray Ray palette by BH Cosmetics. Look hella hood. I used it a lot, so yes, it's messed up, but that's because I use it. So I'm taking this palette, and these are the shades. And since I did my contour right here, I'm gonna add a little bit of this super dark. And I'm gonna add a little bit of blush. Thanks for photo bombing my video. Stop video bombing me. I said I was gonna add eyeshadow, but I kind of really just don't feel like it. Matter of fact, I am. I'm gonna take this little brown. I'm just gonna add it. That brown color flavor, whatever. I'm just gonna add a little bit of this red. Mind you, I didn't do, like, I want this to be real natural, so I didn't add any primer to my eyelids. I didn't use any concealer. I'm just putting the eyeshadow directly onto my eyelids. So it's not really gonna pop that crazy, but I'm okay with that because I don't really want it to. See, it still shows up pretty great. So now I'm going to add a tad, literally a tad bit of glitter to it. So for the glitter, I'm going to add my NYX, like it's in Glee 04, I don't know. I'm adding my NYX glitter brilliant powder, I'm adding my NYX glitter in Glee 04 to this. So I use my NYX glitter and my glitter glue. I'm gonna apply it directly to my eyelids. so it lasts all day. And I'll take a little bit of my MAC skin finish so it really blend in there. Okay, so I'm gonna go add some lashes in BRB. Okay, I'm back, y'all, and I just applied my lashes. So this look is about complete, but as you can see, my lips are ashy. They're black, but mostly they're ashy. So I haven't did a dark lip in a long time, and I really want to because I'm wearing all black today. So I'm actually gonna use this Aaliyah times MAC Street Things lipstick, and I'm just gonna apply it to my lips. I can't find my lip liner that it came with, but I would usually outline my lips with lip liner before I applied this, but for the sake of not being able to find it, no outline for the lips today. So I'm just gonna go straight in for it. So it's this color. So there you have it, a complete look by moi. And make sure you subscribe to my channel for more beats, for more faces. I'm gonna start posting more consistency, I'm gonna start posting more consistently. So if you guys like what you see, go ahead and hit that like button for me. Hit that like button for me.